Hey guys, so this is the haul part of the video. Now this haul part may have 2 videos within it because I do have to go back out to go to Target. I had a pickup this morning, but I just wanted to see if I can do a shop with me if it's not busy in there. So if you see a secondary video, probably from my car, that is why. I just haven't gone into Target at the point of this haul review here, but I did want to share with you guys what I got from TJ Maxx and Target also for my pickup, and Ross. So we're gonna start off with Target. So I do have the Target bag here. So the first thing I got from the pickup was my husband loves Suave Men refreshing. He actually likes to deep clean, but he wanted to give this one a try, so we got that. I don't know the prices on these because in Target they don't show you the prices. Now this has been infamous if you watch any hygiene hauls. This is the EOS Shea Moisture, wrong company. Shea Better 24-hour Moisture Body Lotion. This is in Vanilla Cashmere. I wanted to try this out to see if it is worth it. I usually tend not to pick up items that I can't smell, but this has been raved all over the place. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried this yet. And this does, someone said it smelled like birthday cake or cupcake. It definitely does smell. So if you love foodie scents, like if you follow my channel, you guys know I love foodie candles. This is definitely one that you want to add to your collection. And another thing here, Target actually had, I kind of want to switch over from aluminum deodorant to aluminum free. So they had a sale. I think it was like $1 off. So I was like, why not? So I got the Tom's Lavender Coconut. And let me see what this one smells like. The reviews for this one was really good. So it does smell like a blend of coconut and lavender. So that's that. I mean, you guys will see if you saw the whole shop with me in TJ Maxx, they do have similar prices. I believe this was like either $4 or $4 and change, but in TJ Maxx they do have like $3.99 ones. So if you watch that whole shop with me, you guys saw that because I did share that one with you guys. Now this one, this was just an extra for me. This is Dove I Am Thoughtful, Caring, and Fun. This is actually, where is the cover? This is Coconut Cookie. So I saw a couple of hygiene videos where they said coconut cookie was really good, smells really good, and it does actually smell like if you've ever gone to Bath and Body, it actually smells like Christmas cookie. So this is something you can get all year round. So if you want something kind of Christmas cookie type, this is a good one for you. And then you don't need, this is just something not body care wise. My husband loves the Dove Men skincare line. So if you have a man in your life, definitely have him try out Dove. This is Dove Men Care Face Scrub Deep Clean. It deeply cleans, fights skin dryness. He has very oily skin, so he likes to use this on his skin. This actually was on sale. They had like a circle reward that you can get like $1 off. So I actually paid like $4 and change for Nivea Cherry Blossom. But let me just see how this one smells. And of course they have the aluminum on there. So, oh, and this one really, really smells good. So if you like cherry scents, then this is definitely one you want to grab. Or if you see it in Ross, I don't think that'll be there yet because this is brand new. So definitely go try that if you like cherry scents. That'll go good with like if you have a vanilla shower gel and you want to give yourself some kind of scent. That is another one. Now this one I've heard a lot good things about, and I love mango scents. This is Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. So let me see if I can smell it. Oh, and it's a strong mango scent. So let me see. Someone mentioned that it shows you like the strength of it. Oh, okay, right there. I see it. So it shows you how exfoliating this would be. So this is moderate. This wouldn't be deep, but I actually use Tree Hut products. So Tree Hut, you guys know Tree Hut is deep, definitely cleansing. So if you need anything, and for me, I've never had a problem finding Tree Hut in Target or Ulta. I usually just do the pickup and just grab the one that I want. So that is everything so far that I got from Target, like I said, unless I add another video. we will put it right here or at the end of this video just to share with you guys. All right, so now let us talk about Ross. So Ross had a lot of good things. I was super surprised. Now TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx had a lot of good things. Ross had surprising things too. I guess the body care is where it's at with both TJ Maxx and Ross. I needed new razors and I was actually gonna go to Target. This is why I was going to Target, was to get a new razor, but TJ Maxx had them there too. So you guys saw that and I definitely picked them up. This is Gillette Venus Sensitive. This is $4.99. Let me see. This is 3 blades. So I know that the more blades it has, the better the razor. We will see. I haven't tried Venus razors at all. So in the comments, let me know if you guys have and what your thoughts are on Venus, Gillette Venus. And then another one that I got, I shared with you guys this one on the shop with me, but they actually had 2. So I grabbed both of them because they were $2.99 and I love Soap and Glory products. So definitely had to grab that. Now I was looking for a new day moisturizer because for some reason in the summer my skin, instead of being oily, which it normally would be, it's actually dry, especially under my eye area. But I don't like to put the eye creams that I have right now. They're seeming, I don't know if it's the eye cream or the lotion, so I wanted to try something different. So this is what I'm gonna use for my face. This is Neutrogena's Hydra Boost Whipped Body Balm. It says it's for the body, but I'm gonna use it for my face. This was $4.99. And I know it says, it doesn't say here what the retail value, well, it says $6. But a lot of people are raving about the Neutrogena Hydra Boost line. You guys saw that I shared, they had like a body spray, but I don't need any body spray. I have enough fragrance mist. And another thing that I did grab was a refreshing facial toner. I needed a new toner. This one smells refreshing. It smells coconutty. This one was $3.99. Toner, I have no idea. I always say that I don't know what toner does. I mean, we know what toner does. It's supposed to even out your skin, but I'm not that picky with toner. And another thing, you guys, when I say folks hide stuff behind stuff, the Bath and Body area of TJ Maxx was full. So that's why I probably was a little low on that. Plus I had the mask, but there's a lot of stuff that are behind things. So if these Dove bars, there were 2 packs, but I already have a sensitive pack. I'm probably gonna go to Target and get another pack as well. These were $3.99. This is a 4-pack, right? Let me just make sure. 4-pack or 3? Yeah, it's a 4-pack. I just wanted to make sure. I'm like, hold on, is it 2 or wait, what is this? No, it's a 4-pack. 4. It feels like it's, oh, I see. It okay, don't mind me. Now this is Moroccan Argan Oil. Now, if you watch Living Ash, the girl tells you where to get stuff. So she always says go in the back. I went in the back and I found all those treasures. There were 2 of these boxes and I didn't want to be greedy because I don't need to, because really just me and my daughter who are double cleansing with body bars and then body washes. But so I got one because really she has her own bar and I have my own, and my husband is like, what are you doing with a bar? But that's a tip that I got. If you wash your body, especially now in the summer, it is a little bit hotter. I do use the body bar first with the washcloth and then use the body wash after. Then another thing that, like I said, this one was hiding. I initially got a hair turban because I have curly hair and I don't use a regular towel to dry it off because it'll make my hair frizzy. I got this initially from the dollar store, but this one was hiding and I was like, why is it hiding? I don't know, maybe somebody wanted to come back and grab this. But this is a hair turban. If you never use a hair turban, I suggest, you think it's like bougie and extra, but it definitely does help, especially because it's microfiber, and this one, $3.99. Another thing I got here was a facial wash. I needed a facial wash, especially moisturizing. And I kind of wanted to try CeraVe or Cetaphil, but I've heard a lot of good things about Simple. So this is a moisturizing facial wash. It says sensitive skin. My face is not sensitive, but it does tend to break out. So I guess you can say it is sensitive skin. Sorry, I was looking out at my dog outside. But it was a good price. So this one was $3.99. So I wanted to give this a try to see what that was about. And let me get rid of this bag. There's so many bags. Okay, still sticking with TJ Maxx. Now, guys, this was like a mistaken identity situation. I was not gonna get it. You saw in the shop with me, I found the little ones and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it, see how it feels. Now this is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure-Castile soap. Definitely wasn't gonna get it, but the reason why I did, this retails at $15 if you go to Walmart. I know in Walmart they sell this. I haven't seen it in Target, but we will, if you saw the shop with me, if I recorded it, then we saw it in Target too. Normally this is $15. They had it in clearance for no reason for $9, and I said, you know what, Lynette, you're not gonna pay 15, so you might as well pay 19 and give it a try, and then I can give you guys the big review to see if it's actually worth it, if it's worth $15. I know a lot of people use that as their cleanser or for the prairie area, so of course it's gonna last me a very long time if that's the only location I'm putting this in. But for $9, I've heard a lot of good things about it. So check your TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx had so many things in clearance that I had to go through each thing just to see if I actually needed it before I actually bought stuff. Because I was like, do you need this, Lynette? Had to talk to myself. Had to have a little corrective interview with myself. Now, this is a thing that this is a shower gel that I've gotten from TJ Maxx before. They usually have a ton of these, and I have no idea, again, why these were on sale for $3, but I got another one. I love coconut, especially coconut. This is coconut lime, and you're gonna see why this is like a good buy in a second, because I found something that can go with that also in TJ Maxx. Another thing I found was Nivea. I see a lot of people hauling Nivea from TJ Maxx, and I saw 3. I didn't need all 3, so I don't want to be greedy, but I grabbed the one that was Shea Moisture and Cocoa. So this was $5.99. It's totally closed, but I don't know what that's going to smell like. But for Nivea products, I like Nivea products, so I didn't mind grabbing that without knowing what that smelled like. And then last thing from TJ Maxx was Nivea coconut and jojoba oil. So you see why I said that kind of goes together, but there is something over there. This is a body wash. This is a huge bottle of Nivea. I have not tried Nivea body washes yet, but this was $4.79. $4.79 for this huge, what is it, 25 fluid ounce bottle. You don't get that in Target or Walmart. You might get it in another store, but not in those stores. So if you want to start your collection, your bath and body collection, definitely check out Target and TJ Maxx and Ross. For those hard ones, the thing that I'm having a struggle with is OGX products. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not, because like I said, I am going back out to Target. So if you see me haul that means I got it. Just kind of on the fence with the OGX product. So this was a product so we're going to Ross. Now, let me show you the big thing that I got, because I needed somewhere to put all these products also. So I actually got this. This is going under my bathroom, under the bathroom sink. And this was $13.99. I was gonna get one of the tall stands, but our bathroom doesn't really have the space to do that. So I was like, you know what? The easiest place to put it would be under the sink. So I'm gonna make space for that. Now I've been seeing this a lot on hauls, but I was like, do I really want to spend a lot of money on deodorant? Now in the summer, I definitely want to get something like this because you can refresh your underarms at night and stuff. So this scent for me has been like the favorite body wash for me. Now this is the Go Fresh Moisturizing Cream. Let me see. This is $4.99. So let me see. And I want to refresh myself and things like that. So I definitely love the scent of this one. If you haven't tried the body wash of the coconut, it's cucumber, definitely try that because it smells really refreshing. Another thing here we have is Dove Purely Pampering Coconut Milk and Jasmine Petals Body Wash. Huge bottle in Ross. This was 25 fluid ounces, and this was $5.99, guys, $5.99. Obviously, I'm digging Dove, but if I can find it, I grab it, and then I'll be good for a while right now. So then another thing that I got that I haven't seen at all, and like I said, I'm kind of late to the hygiene video game, so I haven't noticed this yet. This is Nivea Shower Cream, Rich Moisture Soft Nourishing Lather with Almond. I haven't seen that yet, but I saw this in Ross and I was like, you know what? Let me give it a try. This is actually $3.99. Now, I've been eyeing these big foaming body washes, but have been hesitant to pay $8 or $9 for them. This is, what is this? This is Shea Butter and Vanilla. This is actually $6.99, so yes, it's just $2, but yes, it's just $2. So then I can give it a try. So I wanted to give that one a try. And then we have two more things here. I have Dove Calming. This is pistachio cream and magnolia. So I've been trying to find a body wash to go with. I have Soap and Glory Body Butter Smoothie. It's the buttercream, I think it's called, or smoothie. I have that that has pistachio, and then you have Sol de Janeiro that has pistachio, so I'm hoping this can go good with that, especially Sol de Janeiro, because Sol de Janeiro is hard. It's a pistachio and almond, so it's hard to find body products with that, and that was also $5.99. And then, yes, last but not least, we have Dove Nourishing Secrets. This is a body invigorating ritual body lotion. This is avocado oil and calendula extract. This was $4.99. So my hope is, because this is pistachio and avocado and calendula, that this would go good with the coconut. Or this would actually, no, sorry, my hope was to have this go with the refreshing one that is cucumber and green tea that I have upstairs of Dove body wash. So that is my hope, but let me know in the comments section below. I think that is it for today's haul. Like I said, I'm going back out to Target. If I go back out and I buy some more, you guys will see that in another video. But so far, this is everything that I've gotten. So yeah, if this is the end of the video, so with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm definitely digging these hygiene videos. It was kind of fun looking for all these things and just seeing what other people were sharing and finding those finds myself. So with that being said, if you like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.